to be married to Joseph, a carpenter. Dear to Mary.
Mary, do not be afraid. I have something for you. You are going to have a baby and he will be of God. How can this be? I am a virgin. The Holy Spirit will come upon you and you are going to have a baby of God. I am a Lord's servant and I hope anything that you say will come true.
See.
How can this happen? How it can? I think it is better to live with them.
But an angel appeared to him in a dream.
Joseph, do not be afraid to take Mary as your wife. The baby she carries is of God, and she is pregnant because of Holy Spirit.
Of King David to register for his census, and they found that there was no room in the inn.
Sorry, I am there. There is no room for
you. There is no place for you here.
Do you have any room in the inn?
I'm sorry, there is no room for you, but you can stay in the stable in the outback.
Tending their sheep, and one of them saw a bright light lit up in the sky and said,
"Come on, the sheep are sleeping. Let's sit and catch the fire."
Yeah, it's so cool. Let us sit and catch the fire.